like to drink with Dakota, cause Dakota is our mate. And when we drink with Dakota, we started off at 8.
We all know and love Dakota and Sammy, but before they were Dakota and Sammy, they were Dakota and Sammy. It's hard to think that a time like that ever existed, because once they found each other, they never looked back. Sam and Dakota met when we were evacuating campus to escape a hurricane in 2017. I told her I'd gladly escape the hurricane with her, but my friend Dakota has to come with me. By the end of the trip, Dakota and Sam were chatting all day, taking pictures together in the woods, and even I was learning new things about Dakota that I had never known in my already 8 years of knowing him at that time. He knew then, after just 1 month of knowing her, that Sammy was going to be in his life for a long time. He was sure of it. He never doubted it, and they never doubted each other.
We're getting
Today, we celebrate the marriage of Dustin Dakota Avey and Samantha Marie DiCaprio. We'd like to first thank you all for traveling to Maine for this event. Maine is a very special place to the bride and groom, as both of them spent much of their childhood growing up here, have returned for family visits and holidays, and even spent a summer right here in Acadia National Park living together while they completed their internship.
Sammy, it's not every day that a boy from Maine has to escape a hurricane that changed the course of his life. Despite my lack of social skills and the fact that I literally insulted your car on the first day of knowing you, for some reason, you still wanted to be with me. At every point in my life after that, whether I was tossing a coin in a fountain or blowing out birthday candles, I made the same wish over and over and over again. Today, that wish becomes true. Our journey thus far has been a wild adventure of laughter and love that will continue on for the rest of our days. And when I look into your eyes, I see our future. Let's take this leap together to build our life, raise our kids, build a wrinkled doghouse, and always promise to love one another unconditionally. Why do you pull it off? If I don't do anything else, I just wanna love you well. If I don't do anything else, I just wanna love you well. If I don't do anything else, I just wanna love you well.
Dakota. I remember when I first felt it. The fact that as long as I had you by my side, I'd be eternally happy. The rest was just noise. I could move anywhere, do anything, and be anyone, and I'd be content if you were there. Thank you for showing up for me in a way that still gives me butterflies. Thank you for laughing with me as hard as we did on the first day we met. And I want to thank you in advance for the way I know you're going to love our kids so effortlessly. I cannot wait to be your wife, your adventure buddy, and your best friend forever. In Dakota, we would have some damn cute kids.